Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the IELTS exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including its 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Next, take a diagnostic test to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan effectively over the next month. Now, let's dive into each section. Allocate dedicated time for listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Use authentic IELTS practice tests to understand question types and time limits. Focus on expanding your academic vocabulary and refining your grammar, as these are vital for achieving a higher band score. Consistent practice is key. Aim to complete at least one full-length practice test each week, simulating exam conditions. After each test, thoroughly review your answers to understand where you went wrong. Consider getting feedback on your writing and speaking from a tutor or experienced English speaker to gain valuable insights. On exam day, effective time management is crucial. Practice pacing yourself during each section to ensure you complete all tasks. Remember to stay calm and focused. A clear mind helps you recall information and express yourself better. Familiarize yourself with the speaking test format to reduce anxiety and confidently answer questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.